So, we begin. 7, 8, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. How do we do this? Basic one. Then when I go up with the body, straight in my knee, I make power in my frame so I can turn the girl. And now I go bigger step than the girl to the side on the 2, and the girl just falls on the back leg. 2. It's important that the hand is here and not there when you do this motion. Then I just push with the left hand, continue bringing her backwards and close, free. And then I change the motion, you see, by turning and making her step forward, and I step forward. How do I make the girl go there? With my upper arm and with my body, okay? Not with the leg, don't do it like this. With the body. Then I push, and then I keep pushing. I keep pushing, and you see the girl walks alone. I just push like this. When I go left, when I will go on the right leg, I prepare myself for the figure. And I will show you this from this position so you see how it happens. So we are here, then I go left, and when I go on the right, I go, important, under her shoulder, okay, and catch her completely to me. Now, we have 3 points whenever we make a lift figure where I have almost the whole body weight of the girl on me. We need to have a triangle of pressure. First point of the triangle is here. For the girls, you need to support yourself here. That's why the guys go there. So you can lift you up. If the girl is smaller, guys, you have to prepare yourself by walking, up, down. And then comes the lift. Okay, so you have to prepare yourself first. So I go here, I bring her close to me, the girl. This pushes down, and you need to push down as you want to lift yourself up. So lift yourself up, that's how you do it. Then with the arm, you close to the guy close to you. Okay, so you pressure there. Second point of the triangle is this hand. The girls have to pull down when the guys are bringing up. So you have to pull yourself down. Be careful, don't push, because your tricep is not as powerful as your back. Here you have more power by pulling down. So when the guy says up, you push here down. And the third connection point to finish the triangle is on our body. So when I slide the girl here, watch where she is. She's there. I don't even hold her. Make your hands away. You see, she's on my body. This connection here is very important. So guys, you need to go close, palm there. Good. How we do this? We made this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 7 come preparation. 7. And now with the left leg, I slide. So this figure is not lifting and dropping, it's horizontally slide with the left leg by lifting up the body weight of her leg and slide. Good. Now, how do the girl understand she has to put this leg up? My next step will be the right leg. So I'm standing now on my left, but I'm like this. I'm going forward and I prepare the next step. I give her a signal here and lift her up and turn her. Watch. Okay, so like this she understands the leg goes up and she goes up. Lift her up. Then how she understands to change again the leg, I make again incline. Good. Incline is a very important rule for the girls. Like this you know what leg you should put up. So for the girls we have a rule. When the guy is here and he's inclining to this side, then you put this leg up. The other leg. The other. This. When the guy makes this kind of figures, you don't know when it comes. So you have to be sure you learn this, to react with this leg or with the other leg, and fast. Okay, at the end, at the beginning you will make mistakes, it's okay, but then with time you will learn. So let's finish. We did this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and now on 12 I release the tension and push forward. When I release, the girl walks. Guys, if I keep the tension, the girl will think that I have to make another falling figure. So it's important that I release the tension and just let the girl flow. I turn her, body, connection. See? Next is so